Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the vlog. Happy birthday if today's your birthday, and it is Monday morning here right now, although I think it's Friday for you guys, so happy Friday. Congratulations on making it. It is always a bummer when Monday arrives, but honestly I'm feeling pretty okay today. I feel like yesterday felt really long for some reason. Just got a lot done, had a really productive but yet relaxing Sunday, read for a couple of hours, edited for a couple of hours, got a workout in, cleaned the place a little bit, made a really yummy dinner, made a really yummy dinner, which is why I'm so frozen today. Frozen, what am I saying? I'm just cold. What I'm trying to say is, it's why I'm so puffy today. I think our dinner has a lot of salt in it that we made last night. We made our homemade pad thai, so naturally it's salty. And I think that's why I'm a little bit swollen, but that's okay. But man, it was so good. It was probably one of the best that we've made it, to be honest. It was really, really yummy. The other nice part about this week is that it's actually sort of like a 4-day week for me and Con, because we're going away this weekend for my birthday, which I'm so excited for. We're going to Palm Springs. Connor arranged the whole thing. He planned the whole thing. So it's sort of like a little mini surprise trip, except I know where we're going, but that's really all of the information that I have. So that'll be really fun. I'm not gonna be vlogging it just because I wanted to just enjoy it, enjoy my time there, but it's gonna be a really fun time, I think. So very much looking forward to that. So anyway, I guess that's my morning spiel. That's all I have to say. And I need to finish up a thumbnail for today's vlog, so I can go do that, but let's go get our chai. Haha. By the way, also this weekend, Connor and I went and saw his family who lives nearby here on the west side of LA, which was so fun. They have 2 really cute little girls, so oh my gosh, it was so much fun just getting to hang with them and getting a little taste of babies. But they gave us so many avocados. Like, hi, look at that. Have you ever seen so many avocados? I don't even know where they got them from, but they were like, we do not need this many avocados. Let me give you some. So we have a ton here. They're also really hard and they're big. These are big guys. Gotta love it. All right, let's get to work. This has become Molly Cat's new favorite spot in the mornings because the sun comes in here and she can lounge on the couch, but in the sun. She is so bougie, and she gets in the funniest positions. Like, first she'll be laying on her stomach, so her back, but then she'll get warm, so then she'll like roll over onto her back real dramatically. You're so silly. Oh yeah, sorry. Okay, back to your cleaning. This cat literally chases the sun around this couch all day. Yeah, I'm talking about you. Such a weirdo. I'm so excited for leftover pad thai for lunch. It is so yummy.
Crushed it again.
Crushed it again. This might be our best so far. What do you think?
Ooh, think so?
Yeah.
I could have done a little more sauce.
I agree. I think it could have used a little bit more sauce.
But the noodles itself I really liked.
Yeah, me too. These noodles were really yummy. And I just liked how creamy it was. It never got congealed. It never got weird. I really liked it actually.
The vegetables tasted good. I agree. All the ingredients came together nicely.
Yeah, totally. I think there's room to improve, but I still think that this is our best overall.
Yeah, probably.
This truly might be one of the more iconic of my ideas since we've moved. Typically on a beautiful day like this, it's so nice out, I would love to go work at an outdoor coffee shop or, you know, whatever, just get out a little bit. But that's not really a thing right now. So I was like, Connor, we should just set up our beach chairs out in this just random area. It's just like a little walkway outside of our apartment, and here we are. The internet still reaches out here, so we can just sit out here and work. I let Molly come out for a little bit, but all she wants to do is go down the stairs, and that's the only direction she cannot go. So of course it's the only way she's interested in. Molly, come over here. She will not come over here. She will only sit exactly where she's not supposed to be. Had to move back inside because my computer died, unfortunately. So it goes. But that was so nice just sitting out there. I can definitely see myself getting very addicted to doing that. We ended up cracking a beer to have while we worked. I mean, you really can't go wrong. Molly Cat, did you have fun outside? She spent the whole time out there exploring. She's a good girl. Brought her back to her days on the streets, I'm sure. If you guys didn't know, Molly Cat was a stray before I had her. She got scooped up by some shelter, and then there I was 3 days later, looking to adopt a cat. Match made in heaven, some would say. I am getting close to being done with work. I'll probably wrap up by 5, which I cannot complain about. Coming into, but we are almost there, getting very close, which is very nice. Look at that, 5:11 p.m. The laptop's closing, and Monday is over. Thank goodness. Okay. Oh, sirens. We're back in downtown. I'm having flashbacks. I saw on my time hop actually that today was National Margarita Day, or is National Margarita Day. And so I told Connor we had to go get margaritas. So we are at Jameson's right now. Just put in an order of margaritas, an order of this like chips trio thing that has like guac and queso and salsa. I mean, really good. Nice little appetizer before our also Mexican meal.
Yes,
Thank you so much. Oh yeah, that looks great. And then tonight for dinner, we are going to make our crunch wraps, homemade crunch wraps, and they are so good. I'm gonna give you guys the full lowdown on how we do it because I get so many comments when I show it on my vlog. So I'm gonna walk you through step by step how it's done, and you guys have to try it. It's so good. Margarita.
Cheers, baby.
Happy National Margarita Day. Back home, our margaritas were delicious. You know, I really was not feeling them when we were walking back, but now I'm feeling them more. It's like a delayed reaction. We're back home, and before we make dinner, I'm gonna play some of The Last of Us Part 2, which is the game I'm playing right now on the PlayStation, and it is horrifying. I mean, it is so scary when things happen, you guys, and I have a terrible, terrible aim with the gun. So then I just get into situations with zombies where I just have to use my fists because I just either waste all my bullets or like I know that I won't be able to do a good job anyway. So I'm just beating zombies up. And I'm scared. But Connor really likes watching me play this stupid game because he gets to have a good laugh about it.
And we got our first con cam footage to start 2021. And
is it?
yes, I think, no, I'm sure I've taken the camera before actually. But we'll call it the first.
I like it. First official of the new place.
And we got some premium content today. Things have really taken it up a notch. We had our first death. That was a little too real.
Yeah, and then I died again right after.
Yeah, because she was certain that she knew where square was, but she was pressing circle.
Yeah.
Oh, Jill. Jill's bringing out the big gun. Yeah, look at these fuckers.
Elle, what does that say? I'm too scared. What are those noises? Wait, how do I aim it? Okay, here we go. Get him, Tina! Get him!
Oh, Jill.
I knifed him, it's fine. Let me tell you, I told you it was better with the hand-on-hand combat than the gun shooting.
Yeah, and they tried you at what you're good at, and what do you get?
Knives on knives! Yeah, they put that there.
Wait, Jill!
What do you mean? Why did you do that? Oh my god, there's another one. I don't know how to shoot.
Oh!
Oh, yeah. That's it.
Square.
Oh, it's over. Okay, dinner time. These honestly are really easy to make. They're pretty quick. You know, what really the game changer was is when we got the panini press. Before that, these were a lot harder to make.
And you were the genius to put those two things together. I'll give you credit on that.
So if you have a panini press, it's gonna be way easier. So we always make ours with vegan ground beef. They have a different one than usual there, but it's a corn brand, and I really like the corn chicken, so I'm sure the corn ground beef would be good. Cook this from frozen, so we're just gonna cook that and we season it like we would taco meat. All right, while I finish up that, Connor's gonna work on chopping. Some other things we have here. Pico de gallo, always really good in there. Sour cream, salsa. We have a bit of lettuce, Mexican cheese, of course. And then you need the street taco sizes as well as the like large tortillas. So sometimes we put tostadas in them when we have them to add the crunch. Most of the time we honestly just skip the crunch, which is also really good. But I thought today maybe we could try putting some tortilla chips in to get a little crunch going. So that'll be good. Connor's gonna cut up an avocado here. What I'm gonna do with you. It is assembly time. We have everything together here.
This is the main event.
This is the main event. And this is sort of the most important part of this whole thing, is how to sort of assemble it and then fold it up so that it becomes a little crunch wrap. Ours are gonna look a little funny this time because we're using the sun-dried tomato, but who cares, right? You start with your tortilla here, and then you can get creative with the order.
We have some differences in our order, even.
Yeah, so I'm gonna start with some sour cream, and I just sort of spread that onto the center section, and you sort of wanna keep everything just in the middle of the tortilla. And then I'm gonna go in with my sriracha ranch. This is so good too. Get that ground beef in there. Yeah. I'm gonna go with some pico next.
That's pretty good.
There we go. And I like the pico because it has a lot of raw onion in it, and I love raw onion. And then we're gonna do salsa. And then I'm gonna do lettuce. All right. Get the cheese on there. And then last step, we're going in with some chips. And I'm just gonna do a few because I don't wanna like press my luck here. All right, here comes the beautiful part of having two people making these. It's totally possible with one, but a little bit harder.
Jill is the wrapping queen.
I'll give you my hot tips while we're going through it for the wrapping. So you're gonna take one of your small tortillas now, put it on top. I sort of like smush it down. And then the wrap begins. This is where it's nice to have two hands, but basically I just start by folding in one, and then I just go in order. Like I don't like switch directions. I'm just wrap in, wrap in, wrap in, wrap in, wrap in, and then you'll eventually have like a little pocket that you can't really wrap anymore. You just press that flat. And that's it, very simple.
And then you have that other person with slightly larger hands.
Yes. Ready to help, and let me show you this because hold on, it's a whole thing.
You're just holding the points that you were going before, and then you just gotta commit.
That is the biggest thing, is just commit. Or alternately put it face down in a pan, but that's where things get a little bit like saucier, trickier.
Yeah, this is a perfect way to grill it.
Yeah.
Nice and easy.
It really is. This is great, but
because you're right. We did it on the pan and it was really good.
it tastes amazing, it just doesn't look as pretty.
Yeah,
and that's
exactly.
the only difference, literally. I didn't put avocado in mine.
Oh, Jill.
No.
Not your first time making this mistake.
No. It's just not in my eyesight.
I'm sorry. That's on me.
Let's see it. Oh, yeah.
Looking
Looking
perfect.
good. Bring her back, bring her back. Oh yeah. They are complete, and please look at that. Get a little focus going because it deserves it. They look amazing this time.
They really do.
I am so excited.
And they held up well. Good form.
Good great
structure.
form.
Good strong base.
Strong base, I like it. Live taste test.
Oh my god.
Is it good?
It's so good.
Oh, I love it.
It's better than Taco Bell.
I agree. The chips had a really good little touch.
You're right, that is a nice little perk.
Make it really nice and crunchy, as a crunch wrap should be. Oh yeah, we killed it yet again.
Yet again.
Okay guys, I'm gonna end the vlog here. Connor and I are heading into bed now. It's, I think just about midnight. Just way too late for me, so very excited to crawl into bed. But thank you guys so much for watching today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.